Will it be easy? No. Will it be worth it? Absolutely. Balancing caregiving and making money online isn't easy, but it is worth it. You're already handling one of the hardest jobs in the world, caring for a loved one. But what if you could also build a flexible daily income around it? Late nights? Maybe. Trial and error? Definitely. Changing your future? 100%. You're not just working for extra money. You're securing freedom, peace of mind, and a better life while still being there for your loved one. Now let me tell you, with the Legacy Builder Blueprint, you definitely can achieve this. Because I did it for my mom and myself. If you are ready to start earning on your own terms, drop me a comment or send me an email or a DM. And if you're brave enough, you can even visit my website and enter your email address to receive all the info needed via email. And let me help you start building your legacy today.